just made millionaire in the last few months, but here what nobody is telling you. May could be the month where everything changes. Because right now gold is sitting at a level where it has only two options: to explode towards new high or drop so fast most trader won't even have time to react. And the scary part, retail trader already get trapped. So before you place your next trade, watch till this to end because this move could define your entire month. If you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, there is an hammer is forming and this is an opposite hammer. Okay. Plus what we have seen for this particular, the previous month, we have seen a red candle is formed. If you see at the buyers at these levels, that the seller at these levels being rejected, which we have seen a smaller line, but at this particular level we have seen buyer being rejected here. See, now for this particular month we have not seen a big movement. Okay, but understand that this the last particular 2-3 days will define this particular candle. Okay, so understand that first the red candle, if you see the previous two candles are, the previous candle is below this in this particular manner. Okay, where the high of this particular red candle has not broken. Next candle, which you can see at this particular candle, has not break a high and low of that previous candle, that is a red candle. So what we can see looking at this particular chart. Before I explain you where the price of gold can move in the month of May 2026, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, if you have to understand that gold recently touched extreme high near 5500 and 5600 zone. And what happened next, that it didn't continue exploding, but it slowed down and started ranging. Okay, that's your first clue. There is no longer a hype driven rally, and this is smart positioning, repositioning. If we see the dollar index also, it is below a level of 99. Okay, and chances are high if it keep moving below 97, we can see it can go further low towards 96. The gap at a 90 rises above a level of 99, we can see there can be a further upside movement for gold. Understand that this particular candle is showing a bearish engulfing pattern, so chances can be high that a price, if it keep moving below 45.56, there is a probability of further down. Understand this is a very important point. Okay, and this 45.56 is a low of this particular month also, and once started going below that level, we can see a strong support again towards 43.89. 43.89, as you can see. So after this particular level, we can see a level of 45.54. We can see it will go directly towards $43.85. Okay, and this is a resistance too. From there a bounce back can be seen, but if the price didn't bounce back, a probability is high it will go further low and it can touch a level of around $42.55. Okay, this is what we can see. But if it keep rising above this level, we can see it will go further upside and it will go towards $48.91. And if the price rising above that particular level, we can see a level of 42.83, which is resistance 2. And if that sustain, we will see it will move towards $54.21, which is resistance 3. And if the price rising of that level, we can see it will move cross a level of 56.05, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, understand there is a higher chances of further upside if the price keep moving above level of 4900, and if that sustain, 79 can be seen. From there a level of 44.18, and from there it can cross a level of 56.03. Dollar index is playing an important role, so you have to understand that it is forming a bearish engulfing candle. So probability is very high that if the price keep moving below a level of $55, chances are high it will fall further down and it will go directly towards 43.79. From there a level of 43.13, and then from there a level of 42.46, and then it will go down towards 41.64. And if the price falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, understand that there is a lower chances, but you have to understand that for this particular month there is a chances that we can see a further fall. But if it keep rising, because see market is uncertain, okay, then a probability of going towards 48.91 can be seen, then to a level of 42.77, and then further upside. Okay, the dollar index will play an important role because Fed might slow down or pause. Okay, the market is still believing to that. Okay, and once the price flows out of the dollar, money flows into gold. So when gold doesn't just move, it explode. Okay, because fear versus reality is there. Even with global tensions, gold is aggressively rallying anymore. Okay, that is telling us something crucial. Fear alone is not driving the market anymore. It is about liquidity and positioning. Okay, this is the chart I have clearly mentioned you that because right now gold is stuck in a tight range, and where market compress like this, it is a spring being loaded. So tighter it get, the more explosive the breakout is. So coming back on a weekly chart, you will understand more because the lower time frame shows a better thing. If you see that these are the levels where buyers are got rejected at these levels, and it is trying to go upside. Okay, but if the price rising above 47.95, a further upside can be seen. So if it keep moving upside, we can see it will cross a level of 48.69 from the level of 4900, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside can be seen. But if the price started going below 46.54, a further fall can be seen from the level of 4609, and from there a level of 45.57 can be seen. And once the price fall below this level, a further fall also can be seen towards 43.79. But if it keep rising, a further upside can be seen. So trail your SL by around SL by around $10. So at least you will capture upside movement if the price sustain above 4800. But if it keep moving down below a level of around 46.61, a further downfall can be seen. And from there, if it started going below 49.94, a further fall can be there. So trail your SL, that is very important. Key level is 4800. If it sustain, we can see further upside. But if the price down goes below 4600, a further fall can be seen. Okay, so now you have to understand that if the price keep moving off, clearly explaining 4800, a bullish pattern can be seen. So trailing or SL is important, but if it keep moving below 4600, a further down also can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it.